Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. WandaVision is just a week away from premiering on Disney Plus. Finally something from Marvel after 1.5 years. And also this series is going to be our first look at Phase 4 in the MCU. It will also introduce multiverse in the MCU whose direct effect we will see in both Doctor Strange 2 and Spider-Man 3. And Kevin Feige has also confirmed that we will also see Wanda in Doctor Strange 2. However, there is one more aspect which hasn't been talked about other than the multiverse, and that's the introduction of X-Men. Marvel fans are already familiar with Wanda's origins in the comics. She was first introduced in the fourth issue of the X-Men comics in Silver Age as mutant supervillain Scarlet Witch. She was a daughter of Magneto, and she and her brother Quicksilver were part of Brotherhood of Mutants led by Magneto. 20th Century Fox had obtained the film rights for X-Men from Marvel in 1994, because of which Marvel Studios could not make any X-Men movies or even use the word mutant in their movies, up until recently when Disney acquired 20th Century Fox in March of 2019. And now since both Marvel and Fox belong to Disney, Marvel can finally go ahead with introducing X-Men characters in the MCU. So far, we know that Wanda has the powers of altering the reality. This is the place where they can introduce X-Men who are doing Avengers level work in a different reality. Also, there was a report back in June 2020 that Evan Peters is joining the cast of WandaVision for a mystery role. Now it's still not 100% confirmed which role he will be playing, but we already know that he played Quicksilver in last 3 X-Men movies, which could be a major hint that he may play a version of Quicksilver from another reality. At the end of WandaVision, we will see multiple realities converging into one reality, which will eventually set up Spider-Man 3 and Doctor Strange 2. And here we may see few characters like Quicksilver, Deadpool and few other X-Men characters. Now this is all theory, but there's a high chance this may happen as Marvel has been successful in keeping the secret until their movie releases. We saw that in Avengers Endgame. And the fact that except X-Men, almost every movie in Phase 4 has already been announced, including Fantastic Four, there's a very high chance that the X-Men announcement is being kept as a surprise until WandaVision Season 1 is over. Regardless, one thing is certain, that the show is going to be a crazy one, and nothing like we have seen before. It's going to be amazing. So what do you think about this theory? And which X-Men characters would you like to see in MCU first? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also do check out our other videos here. We publish such content regularly. Thank you so much for watching guys. Stay safe.